Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we have such a board with letters. Oh no, where are my letters gone? Can you help me find them? Oh, look at this. We need to open these doors. Let's take the key. Right, it's the key. Let's try to open. Oh, we opened it. And inside we have the letter A. A is for apple. Let's put it here. Wow, how many colored balls. Let's find the next letters. Oh, nice. It's the letter B. B is for ball. Nice. Wow, look at this train. Can you see? What a railway carriage. Let's see. Oh, it's the letter C. C is for cat. Let's put it here. Oh, it's a lock that looks like a bus. Let's open this lock. We need to take the right key. Now, we need the key with number 5. Alright, let's try to open. Nice! And this the letter D. D is for door. Nice! Whoa, look at this washing machine. And I see something inside. Let's turn it off and open the door. Whoa, it's the letter E. E is for elephant. Nice! Whoa, it's a meat grinder. Let's try it. Wow, nice! What do we have here? Let's see if we find the letter. Here it is! Great job! It's the letter F. F is for fish. Nice! Oh, it's a fruit basket. Let's find the next letter. Wow, nice! Can you see the next letter? Oh, nice! It's the letter G. G is for giraffe. Right! Wow, we have colored boxes. Let's first see what's inside the blue box. And here, no letter. Let's see what's inside the yellow box. Maybe here? No. Next box is red. Let's see what's there. Oh, again nothing. Maybe inside the green box? Right! And here we have the letter H. H is for horse. Wow, it's Mac! And inside this truck we have the letter I. I is for ice cream. Nice! Wow, there are many ice creams. Let's find the next letter. Maybe here? No. Maybe here? Oh, again no. Oh, I see. What's that? Wow, it's the letter J. J is for jelly. What do we have here? A lot of shapes. Let's see where the next letter is. Triangles, rectangles, circles. Can you see it? Nice! It's the letter K. K is for koala. Wow! Now we have a house with doors. Let's take the key and let's open the doors. And here we have an heart shape. But we don't have any letters here. Let's put it here. Let's open the next door and let's see if we can find the letter. Alright, and here we found yellow bear. A yellow bear, and behind him we found the letter L. L is for lion. Nice! Oh, how many numbers? Can you see the letter among these numbers? Right, it's the letter M. M is for monkey. Nice! Wow, we have 4 colored cups. Let's see where the next letter is. Maybe here? No. Maybe here? Oh, again no. Maybe here? Oh, nice! It's the letter N. N is for nest. Wow, here we have slimes. Let's open the first slime. And here... Oh, we don't have letters. Let's open purple slime. What's inside? Oh, again no. Maybe it's the letter inside the blue slime? Oh, nice! It's the letter O. O is for octopus. Nice! Wow, look at these colored eggs. Let's open first. Nothing here. Maybe inside the orange egg? No. Now let's open the purple egg. Oh, again. Maybe later inside the green egg? No. And now let's open the blue egg. Wow, and here we found the letter P. P is for pig. Okay, look at this funny bus. Musical bus. Let's play music. Wow, nice, very funny. I see shapes inside. Let's open this bus. Open this door and... Wow! It's the letter Q. Q is for queen. And now we have colored balls. Let's find the next letter. Let's make a little mess. Wow, I see it! It's the letter R. R is for rainbow. Nice! Wow, it's a tipper truck. Interesting. What's inside? Oh, it's letter S. S is for snake. Wow, there are colored baskets. Interesting. Where is the next letter? Not here. Maybe inside the blue one? No. Maybe inside the orange one? Alright. It's the letter T. T is for tree. Well done! Wow, there's a wonderful kitchen. Let's find the next letter. Maybe inside the microwave? No. Maybe inside the dishwasher? Yes, nice! We found the letter U. U is for umbrella. Wow! Oh, a very big house. And inside I see numbers. Let's find the next letter. Wow, nice! Can you see a letter among these shapes? Right, is the letter V. V is for violin. Nice! Oh, it's a crane truck. Is it carrying something? Let's see what it is. Look, what do we have here? And here we have the letter W. W is for whale. Nice! Oh, how many colored bouncing balls! And here we find the letter X. X is for xylophone. Nice! Wow! It's a garbage truck. Interesting. What's inside? Oh, it's the letter Y. Y is for yacht. Let's put it here. Nice! Wow, look at this farm truck. Let's see what's inside. Wow, we have a green parrot and here another parrot. And what else? Oh, it's the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Let's put it here. Wow, we did it! Today we need to assemble the animals from the puzzle. Whoa, look at this! Let's assemble the lion first. Let's put the pieces in the right place. Oh, it's the head. Where should I put it? Right, nice. Now, let's take the main. Where is it? Right. Let's put here. Now let's find the body. Yes. Alright, let's put it here. Whoa, we got the lion. Next, let's assemble the giraffe. Let's find the first piece of the puzzle. Not this one. Alright, we found the head. Yeah. Now, let's find the four legs. Can you see it? Great! Here it is. Let's put it here. Now we take the last piece. It's the hind legs. Very good. And wow, nice! We got the giraffe. Now let's assemble the frog. Let's take the face. Not this one. Yes, you're right. We found the head. Now let's find the eyes. Let's take the first one. Very good. Yes. Now let's find the second eye. Wow, right. Let's put it here. What's next? Wow, we found the arms. Very good, let's put it here. Now let's take this piece. It's the tummy. Oh, nice. And lastly, we need the legs. Let's take the first one. Here it is. Alright, now let's find the second one. Right. Great job. We got the frog. Next, we have the elephant. Let's find the head. Not this one. Yeah, right. Wow, very good. Now let's take the ear. Whoa, nice. We put it here. Very good. Well, let's find the body. Yeah, right. Let's put it here. And now we need to take the last piece of the puzzle. Yes. Whoa, we assemble all these animals. And now let's assemble the animals from the puzzle. Here we have a bee first. We have to find the head, not this. What is it? Yeah, wow, this is the head. Let's put it here. Next, let's find the body. Right here, yeah. Nice. And now we have wings. Let's take the left wing and put it here. Now let's find the right one. Not this. What is it? Right. Very good. Let's put it here. Next is the smaller right wing. Yes, you're right. Great. And the last piece is the smaller left wing. Very good. We made the bee. Next, we have an owl. Well, let's go and find this piece first. The head. Where is it? Yes, here we have the head. Let's put it here. Now let's take the body. Whoa, very good. Next we have the wings, not this one. This one. Yeah, this is the left wing. And the second one, the right wing. Here we are. Yes, and now we need to find the last piece of the puzzle. The hold pose. Very good, we got the hole. Wow, we complete these puzzles together. Thanks for helping me. Subscribe to the channel and press like. Bye bye.